guys. We just concluded our meeting. It was very productive. Congratulations to the executive committee. Exciting.
¿Cómo será mi pie junto a tu pie cargado? O ceniza como
I'm excited to see myself like that. She's back, she's very back.
fundir mi espacio frente a Dios. ¿Cómo será tu cuerpo al recorrerme y cómo mi corazón si estoy de muerte?
My iPad broke. I was filming myself. I was about to reach for my iPad, but then instead of reaching for it, natamaan ko siya and nahulog siya. Face down sa ground. So I panicked and I went to a repair shop like 5 minutes after it fell. And then I found out that I needed to get its LCD replaced. So that's that. I literally have to talk to my laptop this way. We're facing a lot of technical issues right now. I don't care. I'm gonna publish this vlog. Whatever it takes. Well, right now, I'm on Pinterest because I have another account that I use to keep track of the things that I buy or the things that I acquire as gifts or as purchases. My new shoes came today. I'm going to upload them first. I'm going to show you the shoes right now. Wait. Here they are. Oh my gosh, are they broken already? The first pair that I got that I actually used today are these slip-on ballerinas. And these are for the lazy days that you don't want to wear shoes but actually need to. So half chinelas, half ballerinas. When they arrived, they were already creased. I mean, I got them on sale, which explains a lot, but still, you need to set standards for the things you buy. Second pair would be these heels. These are the strappy heels in black. They're a little wobbly when I try them on. The last pair are these beautiful nude heels. And by far this one fits me best.
Kapoy! Water break. Road to 5K. Smile!
Any of you guys here could be a member of Execom.
Lola din sa utak ko na magkain pala. Thank you so much! Hi guys! You like your long hair? Yeah. Say hi! Hi!
And for us, you know,
Gusto ko lang din i-highlight na sana hindi kayo na-intimidate doon sa ating very, very heavy discussion. On the way? Hi! They're on their way. I can see them now.
This is may nagadabog. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Anong kikain natin? Pati? Pati? Anong yung drink natin? Lemonade.
Hindi ako pa inaayos ito.
Bagong gising. Ang mga bagong gising.
Bye bye.
Hello.
Waiting politely. Paano ka nag-wait? Push.